In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your highlights on Instagram. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the Instagram app. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to your Instagram profile. From here, you'll be able to see your highlights, and if you go ahead and click on the highlight you want to edit, you can further see that highlight. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and edit this highlight. So if you go to the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, you can then either remove an individual story from the highlights. You can also click edit highlight, and you'll then be able to edit the cover of the highlights. So if you click on edit cover, it's going to open up your photos icon. You can go ahead and give it a new cover. You can then change the name. So currently the name for me is highlights. I could change it to life v2, and we can go ahead and select or unselect these stories here. So if you want to just select two stories and then click done, it's going to remove the unselected story from highlights as well. If you wanted to delete the highlight, you can go to more, and then you can go ahead and remove from highlight. And you can do this until you've removed all highlights, or you can go and do it this way and just unselect everything. So that's how you can edit your highlights. I hope that was useful to you. Thank you for watching.